pops. It is 4 days post cyst removal surgery. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be making Red Lobster inspired Cajun Chicken Linguine. And we just recently went to Red Lobster and it honestly was just 10 out of 10 experience, you guys. If you have not seen that YouTube short, go ahead and go check it out. Go ahead and drop in 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna go ahead and let that melt. Once it's like halfway melted, you're gonna go ahead and press in some garlic, and you have to use fresh garlic. 2 tablespoons of flour. So I eyeball everything. I have been making this Alfredo sauce for a long time. I do maybe about a cup of whipping cream, and then I use like 2 cups of milk. So I just added the whipping cream. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and add in like 2 cups of milk. And again, I eyeball everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and use about a cup and a half of mozzarella. I use finely shredded. I feel like that just melts easier. You can use fresh grated, but I just didn't want to do all that today, so we're gonna use pre-shredded. Once you're done mixing in the mozzarella, you're gonna go ahead and use grated parmesan, and like I said, taking the easy way out. I'm gonna use about 3/4 of a cup, and again, I eyeball literally everything. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt and pepper. I have my huge pan heating up, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my avocado oil. All right, I went ahead and got these out of the fridge. I honestly got them out about 15 minutes ago, and I let them get to room temp. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just put them on here. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this because you guys might get this and you might freak out, but that is completely normal. All those little chunks are going to melt. All right, I'm gonna put this into rest mode. We're gonna go ahead and just use this pan to boil our noodles.